Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to this segment of the tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll be talking about how to sketch using the rectangles. So basically start a new part. Just Ctrl N, the shortcut key Ctrl N. Start a part. So I'm using my front plane. I click OK. It's already in sketch. So you click the drop down arrow. You see various types of rectangles. You see the corner rectangle, the center rectangle, the 3-point corner rectangle, the 3-point center rectangle, and you see the parallelogram. Alright, so I'm starting with my corner rectangle. This is how it works. Corner rectangle. And I click. Right, I click my corner rectangle. Alright, so I go to the next one. Let me see my center rectangle. So it helps. Center rectangle helps a lot. It's good. So this is how it works. Alright. This is how my center rectangle looks. Alright. So I can still go back and try something else. Corner rectangle. Center. I can actually get the center of this model, of this sketch rather, using the center rectangle. So this is the points where the two meet. So I draw my center rectangle. Alright. So next we go to 3-point corner rectangle. 3-point corner rectangle. This is it. 3-point corner rectangle. This is how it looks. And then the next we go to 3-point center rectangle. 3-point center rectangle. Alright. 3 points. Alright. Good to go. 3-point center rectangle. Alright. This is it. So the last, the parallelogram. It's called parallelogram because all the edges are parallel to each other. So you can see. Alright. You can see it from my angle. Alright, so in the previous tutorials I talked about the line tool. We mentioned the center line and the midpoints. So we're going to be talking about the center line. So this is how the center line looks. So center line is like the point of a reference. You can use center line as a point of reference when doing your modeling or your sketch, as the case may be. You can also use a center line, yes, when you're working with your mirror entities. So we'll talk that in the next we're talking about those things in the next tutorials, but for now we're just talking about the line. So we just know that this center line can be a point of reference. It's a point of reference. It's a point of reference. It's a broken line. You can see it's a broken line. It's not a straight line just like this. It's a broken line. It's a broken line. It's a broken line. It's not this straight. Okay, it's not straight. So you can also make this line for construction. For construction line can also be seen as a, it can also be used as a point of reference. Right, so we also have the midpoints. So the midpoint, this is how the midpoint works. It goes both ways. So if you're trying to draw something and you don't want to draw up first and draw down second, you can actually use the midpoints. It goes both ways. And there it is. It goes both ways. Alright. So with that, I think we've come to the end of this segment. See you in the next tutorials. Thank you.